Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: the standard diameter of golf ball is 42.6 mm. A golf ball factory does quality control on the golf ball. It manufactures golf balls are randomly measured to ensure the correct size. If the discrepancy in diameter is more than 0.004 mm, the production is stopped. And the answer to the question is: the standard diameter of golf ball is 42.67 mm. A golf ball factory does quality control on the golf ball. It manufactures golf balls are randomly measured to ensure the correct size. If the discrepancy in diameter is more than 0.004 mm, the production is stopped. Standard diameter 42.67, acceptable discrepancy plus minus 0.004 mm, acceptable range 42.666 mm to 42.674 mm during quality control. If the diameter of a golf falls outside this range, production is stopped. This provides a clear outline of the quality control process for the golf ball factory. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.